Here's a 2018 Audi A6. Powerful performance is in Audi's DNA, and it's never been more evident than in this commanding and efficient A6. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, multi-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled supercharged V6 engine, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated leather bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.